Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning to everyone. My name is Muhammad Adib Syahmi bin Hassan. I'm from group 15. So, today I will tell about the matter and atomic structure. So, firstly, we can look at the definition of matter. Matter is a substance that has mass and satisfies space. All matter consists of discrete fine particles. Besides, particles of an element may consist of atoms or molecules. For example, aluminium and zinc. Particles also consist of molecules and ions. So from the definition that we know, which is the matter will satisfy in a zero space. Next, we can look at the table. So matters have two things. First thing is elements. And element have two things too. Firstly is atom. All metal consists of atoms that are arranged closely and evenly. As example, copper and argentum. So that we can see the atoms is very closely. And next is molecule. So we can see oxygen consists of two oxygen atoms that are chemically bound to form molecules. And next, that is compound. Compound molecule is the water molecule consists of the oxygen atom and two chemical bound hydrogen atoms. So before this chemical cooperate or combine, actually they have two molecules. First molecule is two hydrogen and one oxygen. So actually the oxygen is have a more negative ion and hydrogen have a positive ion. So the oxygen will combine with hydrogen. And next we have ion. Sodium chloride consists of sodium ions and chloride ion which arranged intermittently. And next have a kinetic matter theory. And firstly have an atom, secondly molecule, and thirdly is ion. These particles always moving and crush each other and have kinetic energy. If the temperature is high, then kinetic energy of the particle will be high, and this is a reason why particles move with high velocity. There are three states of matters, that is solid, liquid, and gas. So from the statement, we can know which is when the temperature is high, the particle always being crush each other and make a kinetic energy. And when the temperature is low, the kinetic energy is going down and not crush each other like a high temperature. And next we can look at the table. That is a difference and properties between matters. So we can look state of matters. Firstly is properties, solid, liquid, and gas. So for example, we can see at the line 1, particle arrangement is and solid, compact and orderly, liquid, compact and irregular, and gas, unstructured and remote. That is a state of matters. So from the table that we can know more about solid, liquid, and gas. Next is the types change of state of matter. So firstly that we say about the matter of water is have three things. First is solid, secondly is a liquid, and thirdly is gas. So when water is solid and into being the liquid, we call it is melting. And next, the liquid going to be gas, we calling boiling or evaporation. And we turn back when gas being to liquid, that call is condensation. And lastly, when the liquid being a solid, we call it freezing. So there is a change of state of matters. And next, we can look at the picture that have a thing or information about when water start to melt, temperature is going to high. And so at the C point, water is melting complete, which is from solid that can be a liquid. So from liquid, when the temperature is increased, and to increase is being a liquid start to boil. And at the one point, when the temperature is so high, so the water is boiling complete, and the time also increase. So next is the picture or the table. Water from high temperature to low temperature. So from liquid, when the temperature is going down, so being a liquid and solid, it is not stable of solid, so just liquid and solid. And when the temperature is at the point that is very low, the liquid being a stable solid, and the time is also increased. And so from the slide, we can do the conclusion is everything made from atoms, whether a substance is in solid, liquid and gas, that depends on the arrangement of atoms. There are a lot of process for state change of matter, such as freezing, deposition, vaporization, condensation, sublimation and melting. So I hope all of you can understand and clear what I tell about the matter. So thank you. See you again.